At first glance, this looks like a lovely little pond, but it's a complete disaster. The blanket weed is completely taken over, and these lovely slate stones around the edge, well, they're not even cemented in. They're just balanced here, waiting for somebody to step on them and either fall in themselves or the stones damage the lino. So today, we're doing a full rescue. We're hauling out the green monster and finally bedding these stones down in cement, the right way. It's going to be messy and heavy, but it's going to look awesome. Let's get to work. Just arrived at the customer's house. Let's go and have a look at this pond and what needs to be done. So here we are. Small, pre-formed fiberglass pond. But I really wanted to show you a video on this pond because I know a lot of you have ponds where the edging's just plonked down. It's not fixed in. Particularly on this one, it's falling in, it's on top of the grid. It looks a bit of a mess. So process, we're going to drain the pond out, get most of everything out, clean it out. We're going to rip up all the edging that's around here at the moment. We're going to put some concrete down first to get it level with the top of the preformed pond. And then we're going to relay all the slate properly and joint it up properly into position. Give the pond a clean out, do the filters, do the pumps, and then fill it back up again, put the plants and fish back in. Just lifted up one of the slabs. Look at all the little frogs. Another one. Babies. Right, the pond's finished. Looking good. It's nearly full, not quite yet. Let's have a look. So the fish are in. Loads of frogs, quite a few newts. Edge is looking good. Obviously the cement's not gone off yet, but check out those stones. Lovely. If you haven't done already, like, subscribe, hype us up, all helps, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.